So I know it might be a little hard to see, but you can tell I have printers down here, a huge desk in the corner, and a recording setup over there. Then you see I have the huge cat tree in the window. We have to cover up our couch because the cat and the dog hair was everywhere. And my son has his exercise bench here. So this is my living room workspace that I'm in every single day. And you can see there's not a whole lot of space. We are so much out of storage that stuff ends up staying on the table for weeks at a time. Because we use it, like my lighting system I use all the time, and parcels coming in, this kind of stuff. But the worst of all of this was my bedroom. Let me show you that. So I'm not going to go too far into here, but you can tell here's my lighting system. In order to get into bed, I have to crawl around my lighting system every day. I have a green screen blocking my window. I have a huge green screen here on my wall, so you can see this is just extremely tight. I have no space. I have no space whatsoever for anything. This is my master bedroom. And yeah, it just feels very, very cramped. So now you know why I'm looking to move. So I'm in the middle of packing right now, and I'm going to show you my new place, well, right after this. Well, as you can see, my street is still well under construction, which makes it really hard to keep my car clean. But we get grass this week, and here's my house. Okay, I know I've been promising you a lot of times that I'm going to show you my new place that I just moved into. But I wanted to wait till all my furniture arrived. Well, guess what? It finally arrived. So, let's go take a look. I even left the bow on that they gave it because it's such a brand new house. Well, welcome to my home. It's going to be a little echoey because it's a house. So let's start off. Let's take a look at my office first. Excuse a little bit of the mess because I'm getting ready for my trip that I'm taking this week. As you can see, I like to have a lot of some of the awards and everything that I have. I have souvenirs that people have given me over the years. And all these ships that you see that I have, well, I have boxes of them in storage because I just didn't want to have the entire ship a nautical theme in the house. And even there's my mother and stepdad and my two nephews and I. And as you can see, they were kind of a silly bunch. But yeah, here's my office right at the front of the house. I'm here every single day. And I love having a dedicated place to work. It's, if you would see my old place, you would know exactly what I mean. Downstairs, unfinished basement, but I have a recording set up downstairs. My garage is out there, just an empty garage, not much to see. Here's my dining room set. It leads into the living room that is all perfectly set up to sit and watch movies with the reclining chairs. And yes, they're all powered reclining. I spoiled myself. And yeah, I do want to show Another gift after the passing of our puppy Nico at 15. People were nice enough to send me some very nice, memorable gifts, and you'll see them all over the house. Here we have the kitchen. Now, the only thing I'm a little disappointed with the kitchen is, look at the size of the fridge. While it's big and it's a lot larger than my old fridge, there's lots of room for a larger fridge. I'm not quite sure why they didn't put one in, but they didn't. But I have so much counter space that I have empty drawers and cupboards all over the place. And look at the size of the island. I normally have some stools right here in front. You'll see them in a minute when we go upstairs, but we also use them to record our movie videos on the other channel with my nephew and I. So I move them up and downstairs. We recorded last night. I just haven't brought them back downstairs, but let's head on up. It's been 16 years since I lived in a place with stairs. And here's our little recording area that we have upstairs. This could be another office space if I decide it. Get some movie posters up, and here's where the three of us sit and record. These are the stools that will go downstairs in front of the island. And in here, I have one of the worst rowing machines a person could ever buy. And it's kind of just my storage room right now. It's the third bedroom, but if you take a look at this darn thing, when you see the picture in Amazon, it looks like it's one of the ones with like a flywheel in the front. And it's not. What it actually is just a rubber, like you would see with you know, the bands, the rubber bands that you would pull. Well, not so much a great workout that I was hoping for. But as you can see, I have green screen all over my house, but at least it's not in my bedroom like the other one used to be. And then I bought myself a couple toys. I have some arcade games here, Marvel superheroes, and of course Star Wars. And I just ordered another one last night that should come sometime by the end of the month or the beginning of next month as a birthday present to myself. My birthday's in October, so I said I want another one of these. So eventually I'll have a little arcade here in the corner up in my house, and then we down. And this is our main bathroom for the floor, but it's more of my guest bathroom now. Full tub. Quite a nice setup, I thought. Then we come down here. Here's my second bedroom, which is our spare bedroom. When I have guests come over, I often have friends who visit from Miami or Vancouver or Nova Scotia, or my sister comes up to visit me, and now I actually have a bed that they can sleep in quite comfortably. Over here, upstairs washer and dryer. And if you've ever seen my other washer and dryer, this is 3 times the size of my old washer and dryer. So I am loving this. I'm loving being able to do my bedding in my own house and not having to go out to a laundromat. It's kind of a little bit of a dream come true. And then I have such a large linen closet, but I'm by myself. So really, it's kind of empty in here, but it's pretty big. So let's check out the master bedroom where not much action happens. So, well, quickly take a quick look here. That's my old bed. And now I went larger with a king size bed here. It is absolutely huge. Walk-in closet over there. And of course, I have my large screen TV set up. And in case I ever do have company over to spend the night, I even have the built-in fireplace in the TV stand. And if I ever lose heat, like natural gas here, this actually does emit heat. So as long as I have electricity, I have it. If I don't have my natural gas, then at least I have this. So I kind of like that. Let's take a quick look outside. Here's my backyard right now. Like I said, it is a construction yard. This road here that's going by in front of us, where everything is stored, is just a temporary road for all the trucks going by to build other houses further down. But this whole area, all the way out to the tree line, once they're done building the houses down the end of the street, is going to be a park. And that'll all be open area that I can access into the parklands. So I'm really looking forward to when that's done. Sometime next year, they'll start building the park, I'm told. First, they got to get me some grass. Just a little bit of grass, because dust is everywhere. And lastly, the ensuite. Here is the master bath. And to be honest, this is one of the selling points to me when I was looking at the place, because I love a stand-up shower with the rain shower head. That's one of the things I enjoy when I go to a hotel, because I often get stand-up alone showers. I hate climbing into a tub and, you know, skinny curtain and everything. There's so much room in here that and then the size of the master bedroom, the washer and dryer, the fact that there's 2 offices, the fact that there's really 2 areas for offices as well, really sold me on the place, because I have a recording area upstairs, I have a recording area downstairs, I have an office space right here at the top of the stairs, I have enough room for arcade section in my house, it doesn't get in the way, and I have a huge, absolutely huge kitchen, which is really the piece de resistance, if you will. I love my kitchen. I absolutely love it. So I'm a bit of a foodie. I like to cook. I have my really comfortable chairs now that I can sit and relax and watch. I've never spoiled myself when it comes to where I live. As you probably saw from my video at the beginning of this, my old place, yeah, everything was everywhere. And now I feel like I have so much room and a huge area. The area around here, there's a park not too far from here that I go for my walks in. I really enjoy it. And so I've met my neighbors so far, very nice young couple. Haven't met the neighbors on my left yet. They just moved in a day ago. So yeah, I'm enjoying the area. It's beautiful and I love my new house. Well, I hope you liked my tour. It's fun for me. It's so much fun for me than living in a small 1-bedroom apartment for 10 years and then a 2-bedroom apartment with my son for another 3 years. And now I finally have a place that I can stretch out and call my own for now. I'm renting it for now, but I may purchase it in the future. I wanted to see if I liked living in this area. I'm far away from the normal area I live in my city. I'm way on the outskirts now. So But so far I'm liking it. It is a long drive, but I do like where I'm at. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel vlogs, and maybe even once in a while a shot from the house? Hit that subscribe button. Till next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.